Good morning, guys. For today's topic, we are going to talk about with our title of "Sacrifice Today for a Better Tomorrow." Why did I come up with this idea? Because um, uh, what I experience within a day is that I always think of myself that I really need to sacrifice every now and then. You need to sacrifice your comfort. You need to sacrifice your own self for a better tomorrow, or a better, this yesterday will be a good day. There will be more blessings, or there will be blessings to come in your own way, especially if you are in desperate situations in your life right now. I mean, you don't have enough money, or you don't have more resources of what you are really doing right now in order to improve your life. So for me, in order to attain that, in order to have a better future, or to have a better tomorrow, so I always sacrifice at the present moment, or I always sacrifice today. I work hard. I do the things that I know that could really improve my life, and could really give way of attaining my goals in life. um if you have a family, you have children to support, so you don't have many choices to make. You really have to work today in order to um, have wages, or have money. So that's how I cope up with every, you know, that kind of problems in my life. And in order to live in the future, to have a good life, so you need to sacrifice today. You need to work. You need to work hard, or to make some ways, or you need to be resourceful to find resources, especially in your uh, living, or livelihood, or something that, anything that could earn money, so that you could support your own family. So yeah, so it really hit me. I always make my title out from my own experience within a day, or for my own for my own reasons, because I believe in myself that you could really tell more story, or more, you can reason out if what you are going to tell is from your own experience, or your own scenario, or your own situations in your life right now, your present moment. So yeah, um sometimes, how I define success for me, even though I am not that successful person yet, but I know within myself that I need to believe in myself, to think of the future, to imagine and think that I already have it within. It is a grass in my hand. So to think with that, and imagine that you really have attained it, and do it, and you know do it now, even if it's not really in your hand, is a kind of skill for me. It is a kind of will or a kind of habit that you really need to have within yourself in order to attain it in the future. Because um, if you don't dream in your life and you have nothing in your life right now, so what else left in your side? You know, um in your own life. So yeah, you really have to believe in it, and you can arrive in that moment if you do things right now necessarily what's um what's necessary. So you need to work hard or do the things, good things or positive things that could help or could really improve the status of your life, you know. So let us give an example. So your let us say your goal is to become a doctor. So for now, so you need to learn every materials that is needed. You need to believe firmly in yourself that you could finish your study to become a doctor. So when you dream, so you could not attain it within a day, you know, overnight. So you need to study or you need to embrace yourself that you need to do it, you know, work hard or study hard for the next 10 years of your life. So yeah, that's how I um, figure out, you know, having the same mentality in order to attain things in your life. So you need to have a dream at least, and what you're going to do every now and then or every day is, you know, it should be in alignment of what you really want. So you want to become a businessman, so you need to study books about businessman, you know, business, or you need to study or watch videos about business, the skills. So you need to do that every day, and you know, uh, you have to do it even if it's really hard. You know, you have many problems within your family. You have family issues, your own personal issues. So yeah, it really adds up to the hardship of your journey if you really want to become a businessman. So yeah, even though it's hard, but as long as you believe that is what you are really wanted in your life, so you will do it, and that's the excitement, you know, the excitement of your journey. But in order to for me to escape or to at least direct in another direction the pressure within yourself, so you need to focus and go your attention to your goals, you know, go and you know give your effort in at least doing it right now every day. So don't think about your bad unfortunate situations right now. So just think the positive side, which what you are doing right now will be the key to a better tomorrow. So you know, something like that. And for me, I just didn't lose hope. You know, even life is hard, because that's what I also apply to myself. You know, I apply to myself that um it's really natural that you are unfortunate right now. You know, you don't have enough money. So if you want to become a businessman, so you don't have enough money, and all you have to do right now is to work hard, find ways, fail every day, fail many times, maybe fail 1,000 times, but as long as you are thinking, so as long as I am thinking about the better tomorrow, so I really need to continue on sacrificing every day, in alignment of what I really want to attain in life. So yeah, just like that. And it's really that amazing when you look back for many years, you know, uh, when I look back for many years that had passed in my life, those challenges where I thought that it's really hard to overcome, but at least we really overcome it because of our grit, or of our holding on to our mind, to our dreams, that it could become possible. It would it would come true. Yeah. So as long as the battle is still continuing, and you are doing the actions every day, so I think, for me, believe it or not, so it will happen. So you really need to wait for the right moment. That's what I uh have in my mind, at the back of my mind, and I instill it in my head, that in order to attain things in your life, in order to become a doctor, or those professions that really takes time and it's really hard. Not all people can attain it because of the hardship. So for me, it really takes time. It really takes years, or it really takes a decade or 10 years of hard work in order to attain it. So yeah, that's why I always have in my mind the enthusiasm, to work hard even if it seems there is no hope, because I believe that you can attain great things through great effort only. You need to invest in many years of hard work within yourself. So yeah, um, so there's player, I think, in baseball, that the more he have a motto within himself, that the more he work the more he work hard, the more he get, um what do you call that? The more he gets blessed, the more he gets um lucky. So something like that. So there's the power, there's the magic, so in working hard. And I think that's the only way that I know within myself. Because if you really wanted to have a dream, if you really wanted to become a doctor or a businessman, so let us say you will wait for 10 years and you don't do nothing. You don't watch business videos or business people, business ideas, or in a doctor dreams perspective. So you don't read um medicine books. You don't enroll in a college school or of doctor. So you cannot become a doctor. So your dreams can is only a dreams. So a dreams with actions can only be attained through actions. So that's why I have that in my mind, the same principle or the same idea, that in order to attain your dreams, so you really need to work hard every day. So you really need to sacrifice every day for the next 10 years. And and be willing to wait for 10 years and attain your dreams in 10 years. So it's just like that. And yeah, so I think the most hard of having a dream, you know, the most hard things in attaining things for a better tomorrow is because um, we feel that um, we feel that we are a failure, you know. So for me, how I overcome it is through um, thinking that it really needs 10 years of actions for me, you know, in order to attain my dreams in life. Or let's say 10 years, 15 years, or 20 years. If that's what it really takes to attain your dream, so you really need to wait because if I don't wait, you know, in my own perspective, so I become depressed. I feel the pressure of being a failure. So yeah, so that's why I overcome it, or I face it with those kind of ideas. You know, that's why I don't easily get frustrated. You know, I always work hard. I always um, take actions towards my dreams and goals in life. So yeah, so that maybe also could be your skills or techniques on how you're going to overcome those many challenges in attaining your dreams in life. So think of it that you really need to work hard for at least 10 years in order to attain it. So yeah, it's really a work hard scenario or a work hard plan, but yeah, you don't need to become an intelligent person because even the intelligent person or intellectual person cannot become a businessman, you know, in a sense that um, being a business person, so uh, it really needs some, you know, more failures because of some personal issues within yourself or within your surroundings. So they easily uh, give up and they become rational. You know, they don't want to become kind of person that's irrational. You know, uh, acting things without getting the best results. So that's the main problem of it. That's why many um, persons that are an um, average state or no, they are not that kind of intellect person or bright person, but they become a businessman because they don't really care. They just take actions. The you know the belief system in them is uh, very um enormous. You know, so that's why more average people become a businessman. So yeah, so that's how I figure out or how I put myself in a scenario that even though I am a average person, but the belief system within myself is enormous. You know, I believe in the good side of working hard for many years, and that's the only way or the only key that I could really attain it. So for now, so this is my channel. So it's all about motivation, motivational videos, my own experience, my own personal thoughts within a day. So I don't know. Maybe this would be the new uh, uh, norm of my YouTube channel of our YouTube channel of Walanon Sana, with my companion Sanu Banning. So yeah. So at least we could continue our YouTube channel. You know, it doesn't mean that even though you are so busy within a day, so it doesn't matter at all. So you need to find ways. You need to find new um, types of videos. So that's how right now we are doing motivational videos because I could only uh, make a video or make a content during my live my free hour. So uh, um, in daytime, so I am really busy helping Sanobaning to build our business. To for me to support my family because I have my own family right now. So I have three kids. So I need to at least have a day job to earn a salary or a wage or wages. So yeah, that's the situations right now, and I really have to find ways to at least continue my YouTube channel. So don't worry, guys. So if I have vacant days, so I would try to um, make a travel blog, or daily blog, or make an aerial view blog using our drone. So our drone is in a corner. We're not using it because we're so busy right now. So at least we could find ways, we could find time to make our own blog or content. So I think this would be a better time that I would say goodbye to you guys. So yeah, that's the title of our um vlog right now. The title of sacrifice today or sacrifice of working hard today in order to attain a better tomorrow or a you know better life. So yeah, so that's how I keep holding on to myself that I really need to sacrifice right now. I really need to work hard, though it seems that it's really hard in a way that I feel unfortunate of I'm not being blessed with um more blessings, more income or more money. So we're still building. So yeah, so that's it. I'm hoping that you would like this channel. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I think that's all. Thank you. Bye. Ciao.